Hey guys, we are placing a buy order in this trade, and this is the stop and the target for that. So it's a difficult trade. I won't request everybody, especially the new beginners, to be in this trade because this is high risky trade. So just make sure if you can bear the risk. So just be in it, otherwise just leave it. So I'll update you once I find something in it. Now this trade is becoming more safe. Those who are not into the trade now, you can look for your upside. Place your stop and the target. Make sure you can keep the target as mine, and I'll update you again once I find something in it. Let's see what happens. It's easy. I can see my targets getting hit, so maybe you guys can take two targets on it. Guys, this is the final update in the trade. As you can see, I'm out of the trade, and you guys can take two targets if you want, but I have a meeting and I'm going out, so I'm out of the trade and I'm not gonna send any trade after this. Week is over and I'll see you next week. Thank you so much. Bye bye.